Welcome once again online GK classes for class 7th. We are studying sports and entertainments, in which we have got following topics, following chapters. Now today we are going to start chapter 7 of this unit, that is chapter 38 of our textbook. So let us start. These sports persons have written their autobiographies. Autobiographies, your autobiography is written online or offline work by oneself. जो लोग अपने बारे में खुद लिखते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफी. ठीक है, जैसे अगर आप अपने बारे में कुछ लिख के बताते हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर, तो दैट इज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. सो दीज स्पोर्ट पर्सन्स हैव रिटन देयर ऑटोबायोग्राफीज. तो लेट अस सी कौन किसने किसके बारे में हमको पढ़ना है. हेल्प बॉक्स में देखते हैं क्या है. मैच द स्पोर्ट पर्सन्स हैव रिटन देयर ऑटोबायोग्राफीज. तो कौन कौन से हैं हेल्प बॉक्स में. हमको आज सनी डेज, नेम ऑफ द ऑटोबायोग्राफी. प्लेइंग टू विन, माई इलस्ट्रेटेड करियर. प्लेइंग इट माई वे, माई ऑटोबायोग्राफी. आउट ऑफ माई कंफर्ट जोन, क्रॉसिंग बाउंड्री, act against odds. It's not about my bike, my journey back to life. Open the race of my life. These are some autobiographies written by famous sports personalities. We need to find out the name of book, name of person, famous sport person who has written one of these autobiographies. Let us see one by one. So he is Steve Bach. He is famous sport person from Australia, great cricketer. He has written his autobiography. So the name of his autobiography is what? Out of my comfort zone. Okay, out of my comfort zone. Now he is Saina Nehwal. He has won Olympic medals for India in badminton. The autobiography which has been written by her is Playing to Win. Playing to Win. Shane Warne, again great spinner from Australian team, and he is captain of Rajasthan Royals in IPL in first edition. So anybody can tell me in which year Indian Premier League IPL had been started, had been playing first time. Okay, and first edition of IPL has been won by Rajasthan Royals. Shane Warne was the captain of Rajasthan Royals, and he has written his autobiography. The name is My Illustrated Career. Saina Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza, Indian tennis player, Act Against Odd. ये इनके द्वारा लिखी गई है. ठीक है, नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं. केविन पेटिशन, great cricketer from England, and the name of his book Crossing Boundary. Legend of Indian cricket, Sunil Gavaskar, legend of Indian cricket. At times he has got a record of making maximum test centuries. He has scored 35 centuries, in which he has scored 34 centuries in टेस्ट क्रिकेट. ठीक है, टेस्ट क्रिकेट में इन्होंने 34 सेंचुरी लगाई हैं और कई दिनों तक इनका रिकॉर्ड टूटा नहीं था. वन ऑफ द ग्रेट इंडियन क्रिकेटर. Sunny Days is the name of autobiography written by uh, Sunil Gavaskar. After that, we have got Lance Armstrong, and the name is It's Not About My Bike, My Journey Back to Life. He is from, I think, cycling. After that, Sachin Tendulkar, Little Master. You all know the picture doesn't require any introduction. Playing it my way, my autobiography. Is the autobiography of Tendulkar. Milkha Singh. How many of you know that Milkha Singh is what? Which game? Athlete. He was racer, and one of the movie has been made on his life. Bhag Milka Bhag. Okay, the name of his autobiography is The Race of My Life. The Race of My Life. Andre Agassi, tennis player, Open is the autobiography written by Andre Agassi. These are few autobiographies written by great players. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.